Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see, guys, the daily candle is finished here. What it given us, it zoomed it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. In the last video, we be in here, guys. We be in green, and it used to be giving us there a pin bar like this, but now it changed. What it giving you here? What that candle indicating to you guys here? That candle. His name indecision candle, guys. Look at it. Look here. The pushing from up and the pushing from down. Which means there is a battle over here and no one is winning till now, guys. Only the red people, they are winning a little bit. Which means the sellers, they still powerful than the buyers, guys. Why? Because look, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? From here last time it pushed up here and now we are in it. So now we will waiting for tomorrow. If tomorrow it came a green candle, maybe we're going to close the weekly green again. But we don't know, guys. Till now nothing confirmed. And another thing, there is very major news happening, guys. By the way, if you want to follow with us, it's very simple, my friend. Just watch all the whole video. Don't try to skip nothing. Also, we put it in steps. We got a lot of information in that video. So please don't try to skip any part of that video. Remember my word. We are going to analyze for you fundamental everything, guys. By the way, you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So, guys, here in the daily, what it's showing us? What did I told you here in the daily, guys? I'll tell you, if it doesn't come and break for us the market or the Bitcoin chart doesn't break here, we are not going to enter. Yes or no? So should you buy, my friend? Not yet. It's still very early for you to buy. I've been telling that word and that sentence that 2 weeks now. It's not yet. Don't believe no one. Majority of those people, they tell you to buy, they never ever trade. And they just want to use you like the power of the market. It's not yet. And here, what did I told you? I told you, yes, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look how long we've been in it, guys. But the Bitcoin doesn't show, or buyers or investors doesn't show they are powerful yet, guys. And what did I told you else? I told you over here, there is a big falling down coming after the going up, guys. And I'm going to prove that to you. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys. Look here, that here it happened between 2018 till 2019, guys. You see it or not? The days, it's been 325 days. Now, it happened the same thing, guys, between 2021 till 2023, guys, is going to happen. It's going to be 325 days, guys, the same like here. As you see it here and here, the same one. Second thing, the same pattern we got here, it's repeating here, guys. Yes or no? So us, we calculating that one, that last dip here, what happened in the start of 2019, and we bring it here, guys, to that place here. So I telling us the Bitcoin, it will fall down till 10k, not the last dip, guys, before the moving up. Yes or no? So that the history is repeating itself, guys. And another thing, look here, the volume, the same thing, guys, happening here. Even now there is no volume in the market. Yes or no? There is no one buying those days in the Bitcoin, guys. So that's why I told you, it's not yet, guys. It's not yet. There is a big falling coming, guys. We don't know when, but it's coming, guys. That was me being telling you. It's going back to the chart. That way, me, guys, I told you, look at that one here. If it doesn't get in broke, also we are not going to enter, guys. If it doesn't get in broke here, also we are not going to enter. Because as I show you now, it might that one, just that triangle, we're going to fall down till down 10k, guys. And that's why also we are here every day, guys. Everything is too clear. It's going now to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, the coming news, guys, for tomorrow. By the way, today it came news and it doesn't show something positive. It came the jobless claim. It show it's flat. It doesn't go up. That meant the level of unemployment in USA, it doesn't get higher. And as I tell you before, the Fed, it wanted to reach to 4 or 5, between 4 and 5. Till now it's still 3 something, so it's still very far away. And for tomorrow, guys, we don't got something special. We just got retail sales of UK and we got the EU Leader Summit. It's being today and tomorrow, and I think it's going to finish till Monday. So there is nothing special here. And here our table, guys, what it's telling us, the one here. Also, we follow it every time, guys. What it's telling you here, what it's showing you, all USA market, it's been red, guys, and the Nasdaq, it started falling, guys. And I told you the correlation between Nasdaq and the Bitcoin. But our friend, guys, the VIX, what it's telling us, where is it today? Today, it fell down. It fell down below 30, guys. Now, is it 29.98? It's a few points to 30, but it fell down. So, should you buy when the VIX is below 30? Yes, you. I want you to reply that question. Write it down in a comment. Should you buy if the VIX below 30, guys? You write the comment? No, my friend. You shouldn't buy now. The VIX, it needs to be below 20 for you to buy. It's still very, 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 very high, guys. And the VIX is the measurement of the scariness and the fear in the market. Yes, it's working for stock market, but those days, the Nasdaq and the Bitcoin, they are very, very correlated to each other, guys. And all of them, they're working against the US dollar. And as you see, the US dollar, today, what's it done, guys? What the US dollar done today, guys? It's going up. It's 112.925. So it's go up compared to yesterday, guys. It's going to 113. Yes or no? So should you buy? No, my friend. And another news is very, very major news, guys. Let me show it to you. That one, guys. That one, the Tesla or Elon Musk, he still have 218 million US dollar in Bitcoin, guys. And the Q3 of his company, because the earning they came, it came negative, guys. And if you remember who pushed the Bitcoin to break the 30 level, guys, is Elon Musk, because he sold Bitcoin when his company, it doesn't doing well. Now their history, it's repeating itself, guys. Tesla, it doesn't doing that good in the Q3, guys, because a lot of problems. Also, we don't want to enter there, but also we're talking here only about the Bitcoin they have. So if Elon Musk decide to sell his Bitcoin, we are going to go to 10K, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So you need to make a close eye at those news, me, I'm telling you, guys. It's waiting what that Elon Musk is going to say in the coming days, guys. Because when his company doesn't do well, he's selling the Bitcoin. He have the Bitcoin as a collateral for his company, guys. And the world economic, it doesn't doing well. So he started selling some of the Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. Now he's going back to the chart to analyze for you more, guys. Here, guys, our indicator. By the way, yes, you. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it. Please helping us, guys. You know that channel without you, it can grow up. It's very simple. Just a small button down. Click at it. Write down a comment. It's very simple, my friend. It will not take you even 1 second. Pause the video and go and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now, here our indicator, guys. Here in the daily, where we are here. Or controlling here, guys. Make it like that. Here, that one in the middle here is a wall. Here, in the top, buyers. And down here, sellers. Or here, the bulls. And here, the bears, guys. Or controlling here. Look at that. Or controlling now. Is the bears, guys. And that trend line, that one, that white one in top one, also we've been followed from 2021, guys. When the Bitcoin, it started falling down. And till now, it hasn't break it at all, guys. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you as you see it. When did we start? Follow it. 16 October 2021, the last peak, guys, when we reached to near to 70K. Also, we being followed. As you see, every time he came to touch it, he fall down. So also, we still in a downtrend, guys. Yes or no? So should you buy, my friend? Not yet. It's need that one to be broken. Then also we are going to buy. Till now, there is nothing confirmed, guys. The Bitcoin is going to go higher. It's going to break the last high where it used to be here in 2021, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, what I told you about it. I told you it give us here a divergence, and also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and all those things we said it thousands of times. Should you buy here? No, my friend, because the most important part of all that setup is price action. If the price action doesn't get broke here, guys, we are not going to enter. Till now, it hasn't been broken, and I'll show you what in the analysis I showed you before. Bitcoin is going to go till 10K, guys. It's still very, very early for you to decide to enter as an investor, guys. If you are a scalper, a day trader, that's another story. A swing trader, yes, that's another story. But for long-term investment, not yet, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the 4 hours, guys. to know what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Let's go in there, guys. As you see, guys, in the 4 hours, last video used to be here in that peak, and I'll tell you that one, it's an indecision candle. It's the same one now what happened in the daily, guys. It's the same candle. That one or pushing the Bitcoin to fall down till here is the same one what happened now in daily. The only thing the different is the color, guys. Yes or no? I show it to you in the daily. And here what the market is showing you, guys. What that candle here it's showing to you. That one is a pin bar, guys. Yes or no? And that pin bar, where it happened? It happened in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? Should you buy here in the 4 hours, guys? Not yet. Only thing, if you are a scalper, it will go until here, till the 200 moving average. That's another story. But here for 4 hours, it's not yet, guys. For swing trading, it's not yet. Why? I'll show you all those things before, guys. I told you, you got here, like that. You got here, a downtrend, guys. It's need the Bitcoin to come and to break it here. If it doesn't break it here, we are not going to enter, guys. And the same thing, it's still the same. If it doesn't come here, I'm not going to enter. It might just to come to touch that trend line, the downtrend line here. Then after that to drop and to break the last low, which is here, guys. So should you buy? No, you need a confirmation, the market to break for you here in that place. If it doesn't, we are not going to enter. Everything is too clear. And I'm going to come back to you guys after European market close. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, or you can even join our Telegram, my friend. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, so like that you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Let's see our indicators, guys, what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. The one here, guys, the last video used to be here. Then he went till here. Then me I told you here in that place, you don't need to do nothing here. You need to wait it either to break up or to break down. What's it done now? It break down, guys. Yes or no? Yes, you are in a very stronger level here. Look at it. You are in a very stronger level, guys. It might from here to go back up, but still now we just need to wait in till the opportunity came, guys. And also we give you a lot of free signals here in the channel, guys. You can even go back and watching all our videos. You're going to find in them free signals. We give it to you. It's very simple. Also, when you put in a new video, watch all the whole of it and follow everything, and you're going to understand all our analysis, my friend. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, also we enter long from here, if you remember it. Till here. Yes or no? Now, what it's showing to you here? It's near to the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? Should you buy? No, it's not yet. It's not that one till it's enter here at the oversold area. That's the right time for us to enter. And what did I told you here in the 4 hours, guys? Here. What did I told you? I told you something like that. Yes or no? I told you got a triangle like that. If it doesn't break down, well, we are not big confident it will fall down. And if it doesn't break up, there is no entry, guys, here in the 4 hours. So should you buy? Not yet. It might is going to break for us down and it's going to go till 10K, guys. And that the view how I show it to you, guys. Because us we calculating the past and it's showing the same thing. There is no difference. Everything is too clear here. By the way, did you smash the like button? Yes, you, I'm talking to you. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. Yes, without you and the others, it can't that channel growing up. So just helping us. Take a second from your time. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could share the video. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there, guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, last video, what did I told you? If you remember. Also, we enter because that one, guys, used to have here a triangle. When it's breaking here, we enter. It came here, and that indicator of us here, it become green. So, also, we taking some profit, guys. Yes or no? Now, let's go back here down. Look at it now. That one, it started becoming red here. And that one here, if you bring it like that, and like that, it try to give you here like a small divergence, guys. Yes or no? Should you buy now? Not yet. It's need to come to break that one. The trend line, that one here, for you to enter long. And me personally, I know that market, how it's working. Maybe tomorrow you're going to see it going up, guys. Or if it doesn't go up, Saturday and Sunday, it will not do nothing. It will just continue falling down till the oversold area. Then in Monday, you're going to see it going up. So here in 30 minutes, guys, there is nothing yet. So there is no scalping opportunity. So I think everything is too clear. That's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.